What's the meaning of Bauhaus? Bauhaus. Bauhaus.
Bauhaus. Bauhaus. Bauhaus was a major school of art and design founded in Germany in 1919. The term Bauhaus means construction house in German, emphasizing the school's focus on combining fine art and craftsmanship with industrial techniques and technology. Bauhaus aimed to create functional, practical objects that were beautiful and accessible to everyone, regardless of socio-economic class. Influenced by movements such as Art Nouveau and the arts and crafts movement, Bauhaus rejected ornamentation and embraced simplicity in minimalism. Its innovative ideas and methods have had a profound impact on modern art, architecture, and design, and continue to influence creative practices around the world today.